Pumpkin seed meal is an amazing gluten-free flour to cook with, but the cost of pumpkin seed meal can be high, but you can make pumpkin seed meal at home for about half the cost. We make pumpkin seed meal in 4 easy steps. Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie and I want to welcome you to the Living Farm. And here on the farm we grow lots of pumpkins and we make our own pumpkin seed meal. So the biggest secret to making your own pumpkin seed meal is to get the right type of pumpkin seeds. So there are pumpkin seeds with holes, and then there are naturally holeless pumpkin seeds. So the holeless pumpkin seeds are easy to turn into pumpkin seed meal because there's no need to spend hours removing the shell from the seeds. So the holeless pumpkin seeds are grown in a special type of pumpkin known as an oil seed pumpkin. So the variety of oil seed pumpkin that we grow here on the farm is called kakai. And these wonderful little holeless seeds are green and are sometimes called pepitas. So you can grow your own seeds or you can purchase pepitas for grinding into meal. So what I have found is if I purchase the raw pepita seeds, they're about half the price of buying the pumpkin seed meal. All right, so here are the 4 easy steps to making pumpkin seed meal from oil seed pumpkins that you grow or from the raw pepitas that you buy at the store. Okay, first is to cut your oil seed pumpkins in half and take the seeds out. This is what the pumpkins look like. This is kakai, and you can see that they are green and orange. They're actually quite pretty, but they're not really big pumpkins. And you're going to cut those things in half and peel the seeds right out of there. And then you want to rinse your seeds and set them aside to dry for a few days because they need to be dry in order to make meal. Once your homegrown seeds are dry, or you can sub in store-bought raw pepita seeds, you're going to put 2 cups in the food processor and process for 1 minute. So I have some pumpkin seeds that I have purchased, and we're going to go ahead and measure cup. Hello, pumpkin, move over. Oh, I had just enough. Great. Okay, so we got 2 cups there. We're going to pour that in a food processor. Okay, and then we're just going to take our lid and we're going to lock that on, and we're going to process this for about 1 minute. Okay, once you've done it for about a minute, you want to stop and you want to check and see what kind of texture you got. This is just, I can feel it's just a little bit chunkier than I want. So I'm just going to go for another minute. All right, we're going to check again. Each food processor will be a little different on the timing. But what you're looking for, oh yeah, that feels better, is you want kind of like, it'll feel kind of like cornmeal. So that's what we're looking for. Now, once you get this ground like this, you're just going to put this in an airtight container. You want to store it in the refrigerator because pumpkin seeds do have oil in them. And if you want to store your meal for more than 2 months, you want to go ahead and drop that into the freezer. Now, we preserve a lot of different vegetables here on the farm. So if you would like to learn more about growing and preserving your own vegetables, you can join us for the High Performance Garden Show. It's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. And you can find the show at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, or you just click on the link below this description. So if there's a vegetable you would like to learn how to grow or preserve, go ahead and leave us a list in the comment section below. And please subscribe for more growing and preserving videos. And we want to thank you for watching.